about representing independent and dependent variables on a graph. So basically, in our other video, we talked about independent and dependent variables. So independent variables is basically just change. Dependent variable is like what is happening due to the change of the independent variable. So dependent variable is represented on the y-axis, and independent variable is represented on the x-axis. Some easy way to remember is dry mix. As you see, D is dependent, R is result, and Y is y-axis. While in mix, M is manipulate, I is independent, and X is x-axis. As you can see right here. And this graph, so basically we use this graph to record data. So we first start here. Let's just make a random guess. This is the ice cream flavors: chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and orange. Well, and here is how many kids like it: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So let's just say number of people that like the ice cream flavor. So you can see two people like chocolate. As you can see right here, this is chocolate and this is the number 2. So, and this is the number of people that like it, and this is 2, okay? Imagine this is 2. So 2 people like the ice cream flavored chocolate. As you see, it's pretty easy to understand how the independent variable represents the x-axis and the dependent variable represents the y-axis. So now, how do you put in a table form? So table form, as you can see right here, there's column 1, column 2. Column 1 always represents the independent variable, also the x-axis on the graph. So independent variable is just change and it manipulates, and the column 2 is dependent variable that is measured or observed, and that basically shown on the y-axis. So column 1 is always going to be x-axis, while column 2 is always going to be y-axis. It's because independent variable is basically the reason why the experiment is starting, while column 2, the effect, like it's observing what's happening in the experiment, while change and manipulate is the cause of the experiment. So this is all about independent and dependent variable on a graph and a table.